Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir-fry noodles with vegetables. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 4 cups of fresh, chopped vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and broccoli. Select your preferred stir-fry noodles, such as lo mein or udon. Finally, prepare a delicious sauce using 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Next, cook your chosen noodles according to the package instructions until they are perfectly al dente, then drain them well. Heat a large wok or skillet over high heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil like canola or vegetable oil. Once hot, add your harder vegetables, such as carrots and broccoli, stir-frying them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly tender crisp. Now, it is time to bring everything together. Add your softer vegetables, like bell peppers and snap peas, along with the cooked and drained noodles, into the wok. Pour your pre-made stir-fry sauce evenly over all the ingredients. Quickly toss everything together for about 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring the noodles and vegetables are thoroughly coated and heated through, absorbing all the wonderful flavors. Finally, your delicious stir-fry noodles with vegetables are ready to be enjoyed. Transfer the stir-fry to serving bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or some freshly chopped scallions. Serve this vibrant and flavorful dish immediately to experience its best texture and taste. It is a fantastic, quick meal for any day of the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.